Hello friends, welcome on video number 11. In this video, I will take a one program that is regarding with swapping. The objective of this program is to understand the background of TCL programming as well as to build a strength in read of any lengthy program. So without going to be in a depth of the programming, I hope you earlier seen the videos. So let's see. In short, swapping means exchange of variables. I will give a short example. You will be change A variable to B, B variable to A. So how we can do it? So you can see on a screen. Initially, I will consider two variable A and B. Set A as 100, set B as a 200, and I will consider a one temporary variable that is C, and I will put a variable name to that is A. After that, I will create one variable once again A, and I will put that $B, and for B I will put $C, and I will print this values as output. For that I will use puts command $A $B. So in this way we will execute the program. Here you can see that in a program at initial stage set A showing 100, but in output it's going to be changed now 200, and set B showing 200, but as output it's showing as 100, which is our objective. So thank you friend, I hope you will be understood something and you will be see next video. Thank you for your time.